Hello students, this is our 12th lecture of material science and 5th lecture of material science unit 2nd, in which we study the paratactic form of transformation. Let's start about this topic, the crystal structure. In the present work, the phenomena of the peritactic reaction was characterized in a medium alloy steel. Several directional solidification and thermal analysis experiments were done on investigate of reaction process. The directional solidification experiments carried out did not tend to show any direct evidence of a peritactic reaction. Micro Microsegregation studies of the directionally solidification samples and other solidifications under isothermal conditions bring out some interesting features. It has been documented that if the segregation ratio for a Ni is higher than the Cr, there is a correlation that the peritactic reaction had occurred in the region. Now, on the other hand, a higher Cr segregation ratio as compared to Ni showed the possibility that the liquid had directly transformed to gamma austenite without undergoing a peritactic reaction. Measurement of energies to transformation and the analysis of their value in the different segments of the cooling curve differentiate thermal analysis experiments have helped in understanding the peritactic region. It is relieved that the transformation is more like diffusionless transformation, where gamma austenite directly precipitates from delta ferrite. Indeed, this proportionation is also supported by the segregation patterns for chromium and nickel obtained in the solidified samples of this steel during directional solidification and DTA experiments, and also by calculations to show the presence of enough lattice defects or vacancies to add the aforementioned transformation. A eutectic system, from the Greek word eu yani wall, or tectic means melting, a homogeneous mixture of substances that melts as a solidify at a single temperature that is lower than the melting point of any of the constituents. The eutectic temperature is the lowest possible melting temperature overall of the mixing ratio of the for the involved component species. Upon heating, Upon heating any other mixture ratio and reaching the eutectic temperature, one component's lattice will melt first, while the temperature of the mixture has to further increase for all the other component lattice to melt. Conversely, as a non-eutectoid mixture cools down, each mixture and components will solidify at a distinct temperature until all materials is solid. The, the coordinates found at eutectic point on a phase diagram are eutectic percentage ratio on the atomic molecular ratio axis of the diagram and the eutectic temperature on the temperature axis of the diagram. Not all binary alloys have eutectic points because the valence electrons of the component species are not always compatible in any mixing ratio of the form a new type of joining crystal lattice. For example, in the silver gold system, the melt temperature and freeze temperature meet at the pure element endpoints of the atomic ratio axis while slightly separating in the mixture region of the eutectic alloy. Have two or more materials and have a eutectic composition. When a non-eutectic alloy solidifies, its components solidify at different temperatures, exhibiting a phase melting range. Conversely, when a wall mixed eutectic alloy melts, it does so at a single sharp temperature. The various phase transformation occurs during the solidification of a particular alloy composition can be understood by drawing a vertical line from the liquid phase to the solid phase on the phase diagram for that alloys. Some users include NEMA eutectic alloy overall relay for electrical protection of three-phase motors for pumps, fans, conveyors and other factory processes. Eutectic alloys for soldering composed of tin, lead and sometimes silver or gold, especially SN3PB37 alloy formation for electronics. Casting alloy such as aluminum, silicon, and cast iron at the composition of 4.3% carbon in iron, producing an austenite cementite eutectic. Silicon chips are bonded to gold-plated substrates through a silicon gold eutectic by the application of ultrasonic energy to the chip. See eutectic bonding. Brazing, where diffusion can remove alloying elements from the joining so that the eutectic melting is only possible early in the brazing process. Temperature responses, that is Wood's metal and Field's metal for fire sprinklers. Non-toxic mercury replacement such as Gleniston. Experimental glassy metals with extremely high strength and corrosive resistance. Eutectic alloys of sodium and potassium that are liquid at room temperature and used as coolant in experiment fast nutrition liquids. Upon heating any other mixture ratio and reaching to the eutectic temperature, one component's lattice will melt first, while the temperature of mixture has to be further increased for all the other component lattice to melt. Conversely, as the non-eutectic mixture cools down, each mixture's component will solidify at a distinct temperature until all materials are solidified. The coordinates defined an eutectic point on a phase diagram are eutectic percentage ratio and the eutectic temperature. Not all binary alloys Not all binary alloys have eutectic points because the valence electrons of the components specially are not always compatible in any mixing ratio to form a new type of joining crystal lattice. For example, in several gold system, the melting temperature and freezing temperature meets at the pure element endpoints of the atomic ratio axis while slightly separating in the mixture region of the eutectic alloys. Have two or more materials and have a eutectic composition. When a non-eutectic alloy solidifies, it, its components solidify at different temperature, exhibiting a plastic melting range. Conversely, when a well-mixed eutectic alloy melts, it does not so at a single sharp temperature. The various phase transformation that occurs during the solidification of a particular alloy composition can be understood by drawing a vertical line from the liquid phase to the solid phase on the phase diagram allows. Okay, thank you.